Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the electronic board in your Dyson HP04 air purifier. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. You may also need a soft cloth for cleaning purposes. Start by unplugging your Dyson HP04 from the mains. Safety is paramount, so ensure the device is completely powered off. Next, lay the unit on a flat surface, preferably a workbench or table, to give you ample space to work. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the unit. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base off the unit. Be cautious, as there may be wires connected to the base that you don't want to damage. Now you will see the internal components of the Dyson HP04. Take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. It's a good idea to clean the internal parts with a soft cloth to ensure optimal performance after the repair. Next, locate the electronic board. It is usually situated near the fan assembly. You will need to disconnect the wires attached to the board. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry off any connectors, taking care not to damage the wires. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess the issue without any pressure. Once the wires are disconnected, you will see screws securing the electronic board in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Carefully lift the board out of the unit, ensuring you don't disturb any other components. Now, take your new electronic board and position it in the same place as the old one. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the wires to the new board, ensuring they are firmly attached. If you're unsure about the connections, refer to the user manual or consider our quote before repair service, which can provide you with a clear understanding of the costs involved. After securing the new board, it's time to reassemble the unit. Place the base back onto the main body of the Dyson HP04 and secure it with the screws. Make sure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any rattling or movement during operation. Before you plug the unit back in, take a moment to clean any remaining dust from the exterior. A clean device not only looks better, but also functions more efficiently. Finally, plug your Dyson HP04 back into the mains and turn it on. Check to see if it operates correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. No calls, no travel, just a simple and convenient service. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the electronic board in your Dyson HP04. With a little patience and the right tools, you can keep your air purifier running smoothly for years to come. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.